14th of November today. Boy, what a couple of weeks we've been through. We came back home today because the chickens needed feeding and mail needs collecting. It was nice to see they've still continued laying eggs through the smoky days. But this has been a catastrophic time. 1.1 million hectares of land had been burnt, and these fires began right back in September. They could have easily been extinguished then, but they just let them burn through all the forest belt, because normally it's a wet tropical forested area and spring would produce natural rain, but of course they don't know that geoengineering has dried up all the rain. And when you dry up all the rain, you get extended drought conditions orchestrated by evil men. And then on top of that, all through September, October and into November, they've been spraying these particulates over the sky, over the forest, ladening it with barium and aluminium oxides, which are fire accelerants. The fireys say this is unbelievable. They just can't comprehend how volatile the fires have become. Even grass fires are reaching 30 metres of flame in the air and travelling at tremendous speed. Thankfully the fires are now contained, but the smoke is thickening. When we were sitting in the mall after we were evacuated, there wasn't even clean air in the mall because people kept coming in and going out, and then a big wave of smoke would come in with them. And then there were people wearing their masks, and many people evacuated to the mall simply because they were hoping it was a cleaner air place to go. People we could share with who lived in the same area, and firemen who were predicting the conditions were going to get much worse, and they were right that they did. We're thankful that we can listen to Mike Morrell and Dane Whittington, who have a really good handle on observing global weather patterns and the geoengineering and the deliberate orchestration of climate engineering around the world. And they're looking at Australia and they're seeing what's going on and portraying that image that people are naive. They won't wake up to what's going on until a catastrophe happens, and then it's like trying to shut the gate after the horse has bolted.